Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn about assigning the value of one variable to another. After a value is assigned to a variable using the assignment operator, you can assign the value of that variable to another variable using the assignment operator. So as you can see here, we have a variable myVar. It is assigned the value of 5. Now we can have another variable mynum, and if we write it like this, then mynum will be also having the same value as myvar, so which will be equal to 5. The above declares a myvar variable with no value, then assigns it the value 5. Next, a variable named mynum is declared with no value. Then the contents of the myvar is assigned to the variable mynum. Now mynum is also has the value of 5. Assign the contents of A to variable B. Okay. So we have a variable called A and it has a value of 7. Now let us write B is equal to A. Okay. Now let us run this. So it has worked now. Now let us move to the next challenge.